Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Here's a look at Gemini ActiveTrader, a cryptocurrency investment platform designed for active trading. We'll explore its features, target audience, and overall value for crypto traders and investors. Gemini ActiveTrader is Gemini's dedicated platform built specifically for professional traders and high-volume investors. Its key features include low-latency order execution, advanced charting tools, and a variety of order types. These features contribute to a fast and efficient trading experience, ideal for those who need quick and precise execution. Unlike Gemini's standard platform, which prioritizes simplicity, ActiveTrader offers a more traditional exchange interface. It incorporates a depth chart, candlestick charts, and real-time order book data, providing traders with in-depth market insights. A significant advantage of ActiveTrader is its fee structure, which is considerably lower than Gemini's standard instant buy-sell option. Trading fees are based on a maker-taker model, beginning at 0.35% for takers and 0.25% for makers. These fees decrease based on 30-day trading volume. Impressively, for trades exceeding $500 million, fees can drop as low as 0.03% for takers and 0% for makers, making it an attractive option for institutional and high-frequency traders. Security is paramount at Gemini. The platform is fully regulated in the US and operates under the New York Department of Financial Services (NYDFS) oversight. It also boasts SOC 2 Type 2 security compliance. Assets are held in institutional-grade cold storage, and users can activate two-factor authentication, 2FA, and whitelist withdrawal addresses for enhanced protection. Furthermore, ActiveTrader supports block trading, enabling large traders to execute substantial orders without significantly impacting market prices. API support is also provided for algorithmic and institutional traders, facilitating seamless automated trading. While ActiveTrader offers numerous advantages, it's worth noting that margin trading and futures trading are currently unavailable. This might be a drawback for some professional traders seeking these specific features. The user experience is clean and responsive, although it's not as beginner-friendly as the standard Gemini app. It's geared towards experienced traders who require rapid execution, substantial liquidity, and competitive fees. In conclusion, if you're a serious trader seeking a secure, regulated platform with advanced features and competitive pricing, Gemini ActiveTrader is definitely worth exploring. Check out the links in the description to learn more and get started.